Hello, good morning. Freshly picked bitter gourd for you guys. Happy harvesting. Hey gardeners! Today marked the round number 10 of my bitter gourd harvest. Last night I had a dream where my bird was overflowing with bitter gourd, and I was shocked to think that was all I had harvest. I feel tired and went back to sleep, but it was a sweet dream. Maybe I drink too much my bitter gourd, cooking and enjoying every delicious meal and comforting soup at the table. Happiness is something you create for yourselves. Hope you all have a happy weekend and enjoy your days. Grab it immediately. Don't wait until next day when orange bitter gourd surface soft to touch. It's not good for it and only conserve the bitter gourd seed itself. When I open it now, look at the inside. You will see the red coating, fresh. See? Hey gardener, today marked my round number 9 harvest. Every gardener works super hard to grow veggies, especially to the area and difficult to find in our local grocery store like bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon. Bitter gourds need really hot weather and plenty of sunlight every day to thrive. I found out that bitter gourds is packed with antioxidants. Not only they're delicious, but also have iron and vitamin A and C. Eating bitter gourds regularly can help improve our skin, hair, and even cancer issues. Plus, it helps with blood circulation and lower the diabetic level. To prepare the orange bitter gourd, cut in half, scoop up the seed. This one with the red coating on the seed are the best quality. Make sure to save the seed and let them dry in the open air. If you prepare the melon seed right, them can last up to 3 years, 3 to 5 years. I hope you all enjoy a cheers and joyful weekend. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye. This is a must in our home and we really love it during this bitter gourd season. Bitter melon in meatball soup or stir-fry in black bean sauce. If you are a fan of bitter gourd, please give me a thumbs up. It's healthy. It's incredibly tasty. Hope you guys like this video. Catch you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. 今日就揸住咁多條苦瓜先啦。 第一隻苦瓜再同大家見面啦！今天準備要煮豆豉黃油雞塊。大家好，欢迎来到我的苦瓜菜园玻璃屋。今天第5次摘苦瓜了，苦瓜大丰收，快乐共你享。喜欢的话呢，可以拿来养肉丸吃，也是一个不错的选择。和大家聊到这里，相信喜欢种菜的朋友们，尤其在家里又有大丰收的话呢，能够轻轻松松的拥有好心情、幸福感，100分。你看到吗？这些就是不好了，你看，全黄了，它也不会再长大。怎么说呢？营养不足。就是一个小盆种出来的，如果它有打这么大的，有5、6个已经很满足了，其他的呢都是小的，都是长不大，养分不足。英国的天气就是每次都不一样的，天天有时天暗暗，好像今天这样阳光不足呢，所以在室温玻璃屋比较好控制它的温度。好啦，不多说，要准备去煮饭啦。最大的用途，种菜的都懂，容易滋生这些小蚊子，看到吗？这个贴呢，就是可以贴完那些没用的昆虫。就今天就介绍这个好用的好物，又不贵。这个就是鱼吃瓜的叶子，现在打了1个、2个、3个果。这里本来有1个的，昨天大风下雨呢，掉了，就是它不会再大了。现在剩下2个，希望到时小心哦，别跌倒哦。大鱼吃瓜在这里跟大家见面啦。在外面种的上海小白菜，虽然是放了网，但是很多这些小小的虫呢，吃完那些叶子，所以呢就要用辣椒酸头水喷，很有效的。除咗玻璃屋種嘅小白菜咧，花園出邊都有種，起咗呢啲網啦，自己 DIY。黑色嗰啲蟲仔咧食嗰啲葉啊，為咗要控制佢哋咧，減少再去食嗰啲葉啦，就係自己辣椒粉，一係嗰啲唔愛嘅辣椒過咗期嗰啲辣椒仔啊，乾又好，新鮮又好啦。浸水隔咗佢，但係要小心戴手套啊！如果唔係會乸硬嘅，會好容易你揩到啊皮膚任何一個地方咧就會好乸噶啦。做辣椒水啦，一係辣椒蒜蓉水啦、洋葱水都得啦，同埋最簡單就係咩咧？我哋洗碗呢啲清潔劑啊，滴幾滴落去加水噴都係有用嘅。但係最有用嘅咧就係辣椒蒜蓉水。一係過期嗰啲咧，你哋啲李錦記啊、辣椒蒜蓉啊，加水啊，隔咗之後咧，即係落呢啲噴啦，即係每日 總之見到有就噴佢咯。即係我係好驚昆蟲㗎，睇到咧噴佢就得㗎啦，咁就會減少啲葉咧俾呢啲黑色嘅細昆蟲咬㗎啦。喺裡面室內玻璃屋種咧就會少啲呢啲昆蟲啦，出邊就會好多，所以咧就要做呢個。
這個就是後花園中的韭菜，吃不完。吃了已經第6輪了，還拼命生，就是通常是剪到這個長度，剪到，看到嗎？它會一直生，一直生，在超市賣很貴。超市賣呢，這樣一點點都已經1磅了。攞去稱下睇有幾重。It's too heavy. Let's see how much weight for this bitter gourd. Wow! Goodbye. See you guys next time. 谢谢观看，下集再见。Hey gardeners, today marks my round number 9 harvest. Every gardener works very hard to grow veggies, especially those that are difficult to find in local grocery store like bitter melon, bitter gourd. Need really hot weather and plenty of sunlight every day to try. I found out that bitter melon is packed with not only are they delicious, but they also have iron and vitamin A and C. Eating bitter gourd regularly can help improve skin, hair, and even cancer issues. Plus, it improves blood circulation and help lower blood sugar and diabetic level. To prepare the orange bitter melon, cut in half. Scoop up the seed and cut the rest up with a spoon. The only with the red coating on the seed are the best quality. Make sure to save the seed and let them dry. Truly, if you prepare correct, this can last for 5 years. I hope you all enjoy and happy weekend. Goodbye.